see, this is gonna be the first video of 2021. Please don't mind my acne on, cause ew. And it's gonna be a photo shoot vlog. And yeah, I have Claudia here. And that's that. So like, comment, subscribe to my channel for more vlogs. I got a couple things coming this month, so yeah, just stay tuned.
Hey, yo, Smalls, turn up on, bruh. Hey, yo, Smalls, turn up on, bruh.
What's happening?
Brother, what's up? This is a groovy party, man. Yeah, brother,
Okay, and a
Shoot of 2021.
Okay.
You could be down for it. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for it. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Down with you. Oh, it's true. I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need is a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is the time that I got plenty of, I'll dedicate all my love unto you only, baby. I'm gonna stay by your side, be there to pull you up and let you know everything will be alright now. Oh, yeah. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. No matter the time, it's true. I wanna be down. Wanna be, got to be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's true. I wanna be down. Wanna be down. No matter the time.
Get into it, honey. Get into it. Part 2. Let's go. Hey, what's happening?
brother, what's up? This is a groovy party, man. Yeah, brother,
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for.
is done. Now we're eating Wingstop. This is our second time. This is my first time. I love you, be loved.
Yeah, we'll be back. Yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah. I wanna be there. I got to be there.
Hey y'all, so I'm gonna try to like close the video out, whatever, and do a little something real quick. So I took my makeup off and I'm just up watching one of my favorite YouTubers, Chelsea Janae. I'm gonna start editing the video. Haven't been on YouTube since like December because I just have a lot going on. So that's the reason why that anybody cared. But I'll be back uploading very soon. I just have a lot going on and I can't really like do too much. Nothing bad, it's all for the better, all positive things. It's just I'm doing something right now, but I am gonna upload this photo shoot vlog and then another video, but you will see the video when it comes. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching my photo shoot, the first photo shoot of mine of 2021. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, turn your post notification bell on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.